Welcome back to Kuttuzen Tips. In this part, we are diving deep into hiring process analytics part 2. We will analyze the clean data set and visualize key insights. We will explore gender distribution, salary trends, departmental compositions, and positional tiers. These analyses will help us to understand the company's hiring process and identify areas for improvement. Let's get started. So, friends, on the previous video, part one, we see how we are cleaning the data set. After cleaning and after removing all the outliers and handling the missing data, now we are moving to analytics. Okay, today in this section, we have 5 tasks to conduct in part of hiring process. First is hiring analysis, second is salary analysis, third is salary distribution, fourth is departmental analysis, fifth is positional tier analysis. These are the 5 tasks we did in this video. Okay, going to the first task, that is hiring analysis. In this, our task is to determine the gender distribution of hires, how many males and females have been hired by the company. So, particularly, we noted that we need to take gender from hired employees. We are taking gender distribution from hired members, male, how many males and how many females are hired from the hired member, not the from the rejected members. Okay, this thing we particularly noticed when doing the hiring analysis. Okay, to the point, our answer should be to the point. Okay, now going to the excel sheet. This is mainly important. Our full work is underwent in excel sheet. So you need to prepare your excel sheet neatly, and you need to upload this excel sheet into your Google Drive and share the link with your Word file or with your PPT file. Okay, and this should be accessible to the evaluator. Then only they will give you proper marks. If you are not going to present this Excel file, they will maybe cut your marks. Okay, so I clean my data set. This is cleaned data set. There is no blanks or missing data or outlier also I am solved in this part. Okay, and also I just separated hired member. Actually, there is no need of hired separately, but during that time I was somewhat weak in Excel, and I don't know how to handle this thing. Actually, using filter, with the help of filter, we can select hired separately, and with the help of pivot table, use hired separately. So there no need to keep a separate column for hired member, even if this is a better one. Okay, but it should be cleaned. There should not be no null value, no blanks, no missing details, no dash or not na, like test should not be there. Okay, also we should remove all the duplicates, and also clear the outliers. Okay, let's move to hiring analysis. This is the hiring analysis table. In this, we are going to identify how many males hired and how many females hired, and also we are going to see how many hired person don't want to say their gender. These three things we are going to analyze in task A, hearing analysis. And also we presented the data in a chart. It's not but especially asked, but you should present a chart, will give some extra impression on you from the evaluator. So for that purpose, I just posted one uh, pie chart here. Okay. For identifying the female or male hires from the hired members. So we use main formula we use is count if formula. Count ifs, not ifs. There is if is different, ifs is different. This formula is different. Count if is different. Count is different. Three is three different formula. So here we need is count ifs. Okay, this don't think that if you directly copy this one, never get your answer. It will be wrong because this is based on my data set. See what name I given here, that will come here, data set. Okay, data set. Okay, based on that this will work. So see which table you how your columns are arranged. Each thing you need to see when you apply this formula. Okay, you can do the calculation in two ways. One is directly apply the rules or formulas like this one, or another is like pivot table. Pivot table, see, pivot table. With pivot table also you can create this thing. First I show you how a pivot table is created and how you get this answer. I just created a new pivot table. So let's go to data set. Actually you need to select only these two. These all two also will give the result, or if you select all this also is not a problem. Okay, depending upon your need, all seven column you need or all two column. But whenever you selecting the columns, it should be in closer one. Otherwise you can't select one. If you select A, then you want to select D and you do a pivotal table, it will not work. Whenever you need this one, you need these two nearby. This should be come. Otherwise, pivotal table will not work. In such case, better you need to select all the seven column, and during processing only whatever you need that you take. That is the better way. Okay, so I just select these two. Go to insert tab. Here you can say recommended pivot table. Here pivot table you need to check. New worksheet means it should automatically go to a new page, new worksheet. Existing work page means you should give a place where they are going to insert the table. So I put hiring table. Now we show where you want the table to place. I put here. Okay, that should come here. See, LS4, L dollar S4. Okay, I click OK. See, here pivot table is created. Our columns came here, status and gender. So first we need to put gender into row. See, then it come don't want to say female, male, blanks. If you don't want blanks, you can't do anything here. Just clear blanks here. Okay, then blanks should not be there. Okay, Next one is status. Before putting status here, put status, the value will come 7167. This is not correct value because this is of total applicant. This include rejected and hired. So for making it correct, we need to use filter. When you place the status in filter, here one column will came. So in this area, you select hired. See, it will came hired. Now, again, once again, you place the status into value. See, now only 4,697 members were hired, and in that 2,563 were males and 1,856 were females. And don't want to say their gender, they are 278. This is by counting the status. Okay, sometimes if it's not show counting, you need to change the value. The see value field setting, for that purpose you use that tab. Then you got such a screen. In that you can select what you want to do. That may be some average, max, minimum, product, standard deviation, such that variation, whatever you want, you need to come on this screen and click that one. Then whatever value you want to need to do, should select first, then click OK. Then the value will change here. See, for an example purpose, I select a value field. I want to change count to some. I change to some, then click OK. See, value changed because this was wrong. Because it should count only application ID. So this the answer will be zero because there is nothing to do with sum up. Okay, again you come back and put count. Okay, so our answer came here. So this is one method to show the thing. Another thing is use count if equal to count count if. Go to dataset, select. See, this way you get the answer. First, what we want to do, you put count ifs, then go to um, gender column. In yours, maybe it's event post something. I change that column to gender for my convenience. And after selecting that column, you select the particular word. Here, the we need to select the females. We select that one female. Then go to table 3, that is a next column, that is hired or rejected. That column we selected. Then particular word, that is hired one, we need that that particular word we selected. Okay, so this was our formula and the answer was 8,856. Just drag down, maybe you get another answer. Okay, this one was correct, but one was not correct because maybe some manipulation happened. We need to um, change this one. We can try once again. um, you need to delete everything. Okay. If once something wrong happen, please clear the entire thing and start freshly. Otherwise you should be in a circle, you never get proper answer. Now I select data set, select this one. Okay. Put comma, then come to this one, don't want to say, then put comma, then select status. Okay, put comma, then select hide. Okay, then enter. See, now it become correct. Okay. So our answers, we got the proper answers, and the total hired member is 4,697, and total selected hired females are 1,856. Total selected female 2,563, and total people hired people don't want to say their gender 278. So after this, you need to create a table. Okay, how you are going to create a chart? Simple way is to select this much. Don't put a grand total. If you put grand total also, it also added here. Okay. Go to insert. Here recommended chart. Two way you can do, pivotal chart or recommended chart. I go to recommended chart. Okay, they already given one chart, you can go with that one also, or if you need another one, you can go with that also. Okay, I put this one. Okay, so that came here. I draw the thing here. Okay, then we need to give some modification. Okay, give some background color. If you need to change the headings, labels, everything you can do here. If data label you need, click data label, that should come here. If you remove that one, that should go. Okay, I should put the label here. Okay, don't want to say female, male, then total. This is title. We need to data table chart title. If remove a total went here. No, if you want some chart title, then click here, then edit, gender distribution of hired employees. See, you can change the font, everything you can do here. Okay, then if you need to uh, change the colors or style, see, different style you can here. You can change that also based on with this pen you can change everything. Another thing is, if you want format, the format is there. See, design is there. Okay, with design also you can see and you can select. Or if you want to change the chart, change chart type, again you come back, put here. Okay, pie chart selected. Okay, see, that changed to pie chart. Okay, here also if you need to add percentage, then you go to different chart. See, this chart have percentage also. So this way you can modify, you can make it colorful, attractive, based on your needs and your presentation. You can change all these things. Okay, now next we need to move to next topic, that is salary analysis. Here, our task is what is the average salary offered by this company? Average salary offered by this company. Use Excel function to calculate this. Here we need formula for average. How we calculate average? That should you should know the statistic. Okay, the average salary is calculated by adding up the salary of a group of employees and then dividing the total number of employees. So you calculate the entire salary of a group divided by the members, total members of that group. So that way we are going to count the salary. Again, go back to uh, Excel sheet. Okay, this is salary analysis table. Here what I given both cases. Okay, this is the average salary of total applicants. Okay, there are 7,167 applicants were there. All the 7,167 applicants are plotted here, and this is hired members. Actually, hired members salary we need to calculate. That time my thinking is like that, so I put both. If I put this one and company expecting this answer means my mark will reduce. So on that purpose I given both answers, but there is not so much difference. This is 49,899 is the average salary of the total applicants, and this is hired employee average is 49,625. So a small variation only. Okay, this is by pivotal table we did pivotal design field list. If field list added, then only you can see the fields, otherwise it should be gone. It should we can see field list in pivotal table analysis. Okay, select the pivotal table, you got this tab and you go the field list, then you can see this one. If you are not seeing field list means use this technique. Okay, I totally selected entire columns and just take applicant id and offered salary. One is counted the applicant id, so we got this value, and then we take an average, then you take this answer. Now you go and apply all these thing. If you are not getting answer, please contact me through comments or uh, through my email. Okay, I given email on my description. Contact if you are not getting proper answer or are not getting the proper formula. Next one is we can do with formula also. Okay, this is the formula average. I already tell total of the average total salary, sum up of the total salary of a group divided by the total number of employees, that is average. Okay, and this way we are doing this average also. So average and previous how we do count, if same method I use here, I go to data set and gg offered salary. This is g column is for offered salary, and click enter offered salary column, and click enter. So I got this answer. Same way here also, but here I what did because I go to hired group only. Okay, here we need a specific column, that why I created this one. Otherwise your formula again become somewhat more. If you directly go first, you need to select the entire offer salary offered column, then comma you need to select a particular case. You need to select hired column also, and select hired. So it becomes so somewhat big formula. So avoiding such complication, I did simply created another page with hired members, only hired members in this column, and directly applied average column here. So no complication here. Suddenly I got the easily I got the answer without much complication. And I given same way how I put a chart earlier, same method I go for chart here also. Okay, this is both cases I given. Okay, average salary, average offered salary, and this is count of members, this is count of members and the average offered salary. Okay, maybe some other chart will be there for better. Okay, you can select this way also, you can create another chart, recommended chart. See, this is average salary of head, average salary of, this is how you want. Based on that, you select the data and go to recommended chart and select your data, and you got the answer. Okay, next. So we got the answers here. Next, go to third task, that is salary distribution. In this, our task is to create class intervals for salaries in the company. This will help you to understand that salary distribution. Here we are going to uh, identify the salary distribution pattern, or differentiate the different levels of people, employees in your company. The class interval represent the range of value. In this case, salary range, the class interval is the difference between the upper and lower limit of the class. So we want to know the upper class and lower class, everything you can get through this analysis. Again, we are going to Excel sheet, salary distribution. Okay, this is the maximum salary, this is the minimum salary. We are removed outliers, and we use upper bound, and your answer is 99,967. This is maximum salary. How you can identify a maximum salary from a group? Click this one. Okay, equal to max. For maximum, you use the formula max. Go to data set, select offered salary column. So you got this is the highest salary, and minimum salary, this is the minimum salary 100. Actually, this is an outlier only. I didn't remove on that time because I was not that much aware. You can simply think that nobody will work on 100 rupees or something. Okay, this is an outlier also. You need to correct this also. But I did not do anything because during that time my knowledge is that much low regarding this data analytics. So the minimum here formula is minimum, and same method we go to the offered salary and select the entire column, and you got this both answer. Okay, and again I did the same with hired one also here, but the minimum salary was changed to 800. Okay, no difference, not much difference here. I filtered the data is filtered with hired salary, that why the only difference is hired. Okay, this is combined, this having hired plus rejected. Okay, now we are going to see lower limit. This is for class, we are creating lower limit. This is 0, and our upper limit is 1 lakh. Okay, so this is 99,000, so it is below 1 lakh. So we give upper limit 1 lakh. now we are going to create a, class interval. We can use different type of formulas for making class intervals. Different way you can do. Okay, different people can show different ways. Okay, I did this way. Okay, I am comfortable with this type 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20, like that 90,000 to 1 lakh, up to 10 classes I make. And after that I given calculation count of uh, each employee, or distribution, divide each members using count formula, and I calculated uh, total members and also hired members, both I given here. So this much is the members. Simply we click here, you can form here also we use count ifs. Specifically you don't forget, if you need proper answer, count ifs. S should be must ifs. Don't put count or count if. Count ifs is needed here. Then go to data set. Here the first clean data set, I go to data set, select the offered salary column, comma, then with in bracket greater than or equal to, because we need this value, is it 0 to 10,000. So greater than or equal to at rate lower limit. This is the lower limit. We click the lower limit. This one, this value will come here, lower limit. Then comma again, go to data set and select column offered salary, and next inverted comma less than or equal to, and you come to click this one, upper limit. This is 1 lakh is our upper limit. Then you got this answer. Okay, 6, 7, 8 members are in combined group, then they are come under 10,000 class. And in salary people, in hired people, around 4,439 members. Once you created this, you can simply drag down. See, your answer will, you can check. Okay, just delete this one. Okay, you need to click. See your answer, you got the answer. This way, you fixed the lower limit here 0, upper limit is 1 lakh, and based on this you got the answer, lower limit and upper limit. Okay, or some other way also you can do the same thing. Don't think that only this way you can perform these actions. Don't think that way. You can perform different ways. Different people show different type of technique. Only thing is you need to classify, question is to classify the employees into different salary positions. Okay, that way we are classified. Also you can use pivoted table also. Same thing, you can use pivoted table. Okay, you need to select interval, frequency, and frequency hired salary. Select this one, and you can created the pivoted table. Same way, rows and values. If filter need, you can move things to value to filter area and do filtration. Same method you can do. And then you can create chart. I created a different chart. This chart showing both the, this is salaried hired people, this is combined employees. So based on that you can calculate how much is the combined salary and how much is difference. Okay, employed members are almost equally placed on all the rows, but in combined section it is not an equal way. Okay, there are somewhat difference here and there. Okay, but those who are selected is almost equally. Okay, after this placing this one, you need to put all the data into your reports. Now moving to our fourth task, that is departmental analysis. Visualizing data through charts and plot is crucial part of data. So here we are going need to visualize the data in charts and plots, and our task is use a pie chart or pie chart, bar chart, or any other suitable visualization. You can use any pie chart or bar chart or any other suitable visualization to show the proportion of people working in different departments. So we need to show various department employees position or employees, the count of employees working in each position. Again, going to Excel. Here is the departmental analysis. So how you are going to put this one? Okay, here also did somewhat different. One by one, I put all the departments. How this formula? How you take here this groups? Two way you can do the thing. Select the entire data column. Okay, one the method is, I can show you one method. Okay, go to data set, then select the department, copy, and go back to departmental analysis. Okay, now select, paste the data. All the data is selected. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to remove duplicates. How you are going to remove duplicates? Home, conditional format, duplicate values. Here this way also you can remove. Another thing I show on that time, on during cleaning section, I show that on data, remove duplicates. Okay, see, now you have only unique departments, only this much departments are there. Okay, remaining thing, you need to set each table, create the table. You know how to create the table. You can convert the table like this way. um, and if you need, how you are going to create a table, simply select how many column and how many thing you need, just select that one. Okay, select that area, go to insert. This is the table tab. Here click. Here if you need header, you need to click this one, click OK. You got the table. Okay, if and you got the headings, filter, everything, and you don't want to keep the table format, you can clear the format. See, but your heading will be still there. Okay, it will not change. So you can change the name. You can change the name department. Okay, like that. If you need to give colors, then again go back to table design, select the colors. Or if you privately need, as per your need, come back to home. See, this way also you can change. Okay, it's depend upon your need. Okay, how you want, you can do everything in different. Okay, another way you can do, see, this way also you can do. You put count if method. uh, one column you put equal to count if, not ifs, just if. This don't confuse with if and ifs and count. Okay, these three are three different formula. Go to department E2 to E4967. This is in hired section. So this much employees are there, and select that entire column. Then select the particular area. You can particular department you can able to select, or you type inverted comma financial department. Like that you put 9 departments here and here. But the method I show is simpler one. Just select the entire column and take it where you want to create the table. Take there, then select the entire column, remove the duplicates. Okay, and simply you get the column. That way I created this. Then how you know the count of each department? For that you need to apply the formula count if. Okay, you need to apply the formula count if. Then go to department comma departmental analysis A2. Okay, we are went to select each. See, I show this one. Okay, equal to count if. Go to hired staff. Go to hired staff, select this one, put comma, then come back to departmental analysis, then select financial department, and then enter. See, 176. Okay, now drag downwards, you got all the answer. But don't change the thing, headings. If headings change, answer also change. Okay, this way, if your headings are this way, then answer will be the correct one. Otherwise, if you change, if step by step you are doing, and you change the heading and do same method, means a different answer you will got. Okay, maybe I am not sure. Sometimes the answer will be wrong, because I selected here the particular thing, departmental analysis selected from here. Okay, that thing happened. So answer should be based on this formula. Okay, now you got the answer here. Then based on this, we are creating the proportions. Okay, after creating the proportion, we are taking the chart. Okay, creating the chart, and your answer you got here, that is position tier analysis. Our task is use a chart or graph to represent the different position tier within the company. This will help you to understand the distribution of position across different tiers. So this help to identify different position of employers in the company. Okay, so for this again we are going to Excel sheet position tier analysis. I did with the use of pivoted table. Okay, you need to do by yourself. I just showing this one. The answer should be this one. Okay, three B9 employees are 308, C10 employees are 105, C5 1182 members are there. Okay, so you can create a pivoted table by yourself and do the answer and report the make the you and posted your result in your report. If you have any doubt in any of the steps or any of the pro- problems in the task, or you have any problem with the uh, project for hiring analysis, please contact me in my mail. I will give the mail on my description as well as in the comment. Also, you can ask on my video comment about various doubt. Also, you can discuss anything related to the project in the comments. Okay, you can give your feedback also, even if it is good or bad. If you like or dislike whatever, you can post on my videos. Okay, and I will always ready to help you if you asking doubt regarding anything related to the project for hiring analysis. Okay, now this is time to wind up our video. So, on conclusion, to wrap up, we explored hiring trends, salary distribution, departmental composition, and position tiers. These insights can help the company optimize its hiring process and make informed decisions about recruitment and resource collection. Thank you for joining this session, and I hope you found it insightful. Also, please subscribe to Kuttuzen Tips or hit the bell icons for update and share this video with your friends who might find it useful. For any doubt or personal support, contact me at eldosg002 at gmail.com. Thank you.